Hello students, now I am going to show you one inorganic experiment, that is experiment number 2. What is the experiment? Determination of the strength of an unknown sodium carbonate solution from a potentiometry titration of a given sodium carbonate solution with aqueous hydrochloric acid solution. So for this experiment we need hydrochloric acid solution 0.2 normal and sodium carbonate solution, that is unknown concentration. Okay, and this is called wash bottle, and this is sodium carbonate beaker, this is hydrochloric acid beaker, and this is called measuring cylinder, and this is funnel, and this is sodium carbonate pipette. Okay, and one more thing, this is called burette. This is for HCl 0.2 normal, and this is AgCl combined glass electrode. Okay, and this is called magnetic stirrer, and this is called potentiometer. Okay, so first of all, what we have to do? We have to clean all the glass apparatus with distilled water. That I am already cleaned. So, and we have to take sodium carbonate solution from stock solution bottle here, and we have to transfer this solution into this beaker with this pipette. Okay, and you know how to operate the pipette. This is called pipette pump. This is called pipette pump. After putting this pipette into the solution, just upward for sucking the solution this way, and downward for releasing the solution. So first you fill up to 0 mark, and this pipette is for 25 ml. So we have to take 50 ml, means twice we have to take. Okay, I have already taken 50 ml of sodium carbonate solution, and you can find one white color bar, that is called magnetic stirrer bar. Okay, and level of this solution is so lower, that's why I am adding distilled water of 100 ml of distilled water here. Otherwise, that stirrer bar can damage the glass electrode. Now we have to pour HCl solution in this burette. Okay, first put the funnel here, and like this way we have to take HCl solution here. This is actually wrong process. Basically, students are doing this type of mistake. This is wrong. What you have to do? You have to take in particular beaker here, and by this way we have to pour it. First you take little bit extra, more than extra from 0, then put the particular beaker here and release the extra part and level it at 0. So always maintain the lower meniscus. Okay. Now this beaker is the experimental beaker, where we already added sodium carbonate solution and 100 ml distilled water. Okay, now we have to put this beaker here very carefully, and we should dip the combined electrode here carefully. Okay, and switch on the magnetic stirrer, and look, stirrer bar is moving now. Now what we have to do, we have to put this knob into millivolt mode. Okay, initially we are getting negative value, that we have to note it down. Okay, like this way. Volume of HCl and EML. Initially, what is the volume of HCl in this beaker? 0 ml. Okay, so when volume of HCl is 0, EMF value is minus 323. Minus 323. Okay, now we will add 1 ml 1 ml sequentially the HCl solution in this beaker. Okay, now 1 ml already added. Look, the potential change here. Now it is at minus 311. Write down the data. 1 minus 311.
Start.
Okay, like this way we have to add up to 33 to 34 ml. Now I added 1 ml more, means it is in 2 ml. So what is the value? Minus 301. Note it down. In 2 ml is minus 301. Look, I have already added 1 ml 1 ml sequentially, and I got this type of data. Okay, up to 13 ml I already added. Look, very carefully look the changes. Here the maximum changes we are getting here between 11 to 12 ml, means here. Same after 20, means between 22 to 25 you will get same type of maximum changes. This is the first equivalent point, and that will be the second equivalent point. Okay, second time we have to do same way the titration, but we will add 2 ml 2 ml sequentially, and in this changes we have to add 0.2 ml 0.2 ml wise after 11 to 12, and same way after, suppose you got between 22 to 23 the maximum changes, there also we have to add 0.2 ml 0.2 ml wise. So after 11 we have to add 0.2 ml 0.2 ml like this way for the second time. Okay, now look, I have already added up to 34 ml, and this type of data I am getting. Okay, So here also after 22 ml, here is a abrupt change. So we have to take 0.2 ml, 0.2 ml wise from 23 to 25 ml for second time. Okay. In the same way, you have to perform this experiment again and note down the data. That will be the final data, and you have to plot the graph with that data sheet only.
Start.
After first time, I have already cleaned this beaker and I am going to take sodium carbonate solution here. And add 100 ml of distilled water again. Put this beaker here. Dip the glass electrode same way. And HCl already added, fill up to 0. And now I am going to switch on the magnetic stirrer and this potentiometer also. Now volume of HCl is 0 in this beaker and we are getting same value. So write down the value at 0, it is minus now we will add 2 ml 2 ml sequentially. Okay, so okay, 2 ml already added and the value is minus 302. At 2 ml it is minus 302. Again add 2 ml. Now the value is minus 285. Up to 11 ml already added and I am getting this type of data. Okay, after 11 we will add 0.2 ml 0.2 ml sequentially up to 12 ml. So now I am adding 0.2 ml. What is the value? Minus 189. Sorry, minus. Again add 0.2 ml. Let it stable. Minus 174. So second time titration already over and I am getting this type of value. You can see here after 11 0.2 up to 12 and here also after 23 0.2 ml up to 25 ml. Okay, and this with the help of this data set you have to plot two graphs. Thank you guys, that's all.